Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw RAIDER from Fortnite. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna begin with drawing her cap with an arch curve line across. And from the ending point at the sides, a circular turn upwards and inwards on both the left and right side right there, and from that ending point another arch curve line across from the left to the right point. From the side of that, I'm gonna draw a line across, turn it upwards, an arch curve line across for the top of her cap. Turn it downwards on the right side and sideways to the left. Above the cap in the middle point, I'm gonna draw an arch curve line right there. Inside of the cap in the middle, at this lower point, I'm gonna draw a square shape. Copy the same square shape at the side all the way to the side of the cap. And above that row of square, I'm gonna draw another row of square, and I'm gonna position it in the middle point of the first row. And above that, I'm gonna copy the same row of square right there. Now below her cap in the middle point, I'm going to draw a diagonal curve line to the left, turn it sideways at this lower point. At the side below the cap, I'm going to draw another curve line downwards, turn it to the right, semicircular turn downwards, and I'm going to repeat that same set of curve line again at the outer corner on the left right here, extend it downwards, semicircular turn to the left, sharp turn back to the right, and above that ending point I'm going to draw a curve line downwards, curl it outwards to the left, repeat that same curve line again at that corner, sharp turn back inwards with a curve line and turn it upwards. From the outer corner at the side of her cap on the left, I'm gonna draw another curve line downwards, semicircular turn inwards, and turn it downwards at that corner. Below that, at the outer point, I'm gonna draw another curve line down, curl it inwards to the right, and semicircular turn downwards. For the right side of her hair, I'm gonna draw a curve line downwards from the right corner below the cap. Curl it slightly inwards at this lower point. Sharp turn back upwards at the outer corner on the right, all the way back to the cap. On the right side of that, another curve line downwards. Curl it outwards at that corner. Sharp turn back to the left. Below that, a curve line downwards, flare it slightly out, and curl it back inwards to the left and upwards. Now for her goggles, I'm gonna draw a line across below the cap for the top of the goggle, another similar line slightly below that, and in the middle point below that two line, I'm gonna draw an upside down V shape in the middle point right here. Turn it diagonally upwards at the outer corner on both the left and right. Copy the same set of diagonal lines again at this lower point. Below the goggles, at the side, the diagonal line out. Now for the shape of her face, I'm gonna take the outer corner on the right side below the goggle and draw a curve line diagonally inwards to her chin, semicircular turn back upwards, in the middle. Below the face on the right, I'm going to draw a line downwards, curve line across to the left. Now from the side of her hair on the left, I'm going to draw her shoulder with the curved line outwards, slightly downwards, semi-circle turn downwards at the side of the shoulder, extend it slightly downwards, curved line across to the right. At the ending point on the right, at this upper point, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards, slightly out, semicircle turn back inwards, and below that, another curved line downwards right there. I'm going to copy the same shape of the shoulders on the right side right here. Now at the ending point below, I'm going to draw a curved line across right there and another similar curved line at this upper corner. I'm going to leave a gap on the left corner right there, and at the gap from the lower point, I'm going to draw a line upwards, turn it diagonally upwards to the right shoulder right there. And I'm going to copy the same set of line again on the left side right there. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw two more similar line of center right there and another one on the right side. At the ending point above, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape right there. Now for her waist, below the shirt, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards, slightly inwards, flare it back outwards below the waist. I'm going to do the same thing on the right side right there. Curved line across below the waist for the top of her pants, turn it downwards on both sides. Below that, I'm going to draw her belt with another similar curved line across. I'm going to leave a gap at the left corner right there. Continue that curved line across. I'm going to leave another gap in the middle point. Continue that line across, and I'm going to leave another gap on the right corner right there. I'm going to copy the same curved line across again at this lower point for the lower line of the belt. And at the side, I'm going to draw a line downwards on both the left and right. At the gaps along the belt, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape right there. And I'm going to do the same thing on the right side of the belt. In the middle point, I'm going to draw a similar rectangular shape, but at the lower point, I'm going to make a semicircle line across right there. Inside of that shape, at this lower point, I'm going to draw a small circle. At the side of that, I'm going to draw a line downwards on the right and another one at the outer corner. Now from that shape in the middle, I'm going to draw on the left corner a diagonal curved line to the left and downwards. Copy that same curved line again on the right side of that shape and a line across at the ending point of that strap right there. At the side of that ending point, I'm going to draw a line upwards, semicircle turn diagonally to the left and semicircle turn back downwards. Copy the same shape and mirror that on the lower point right here. And at the side of that, I'm going to draw a line downwards right there, sideways to the left. And from the same point, I'm going to draw a diagonal line up, turn it sideways to the left at that corner. Below that, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape right there. And inside of that, at the upper point on the right, a line sideways to the left, turn it downwards all the way to that lower point. On the left side of that, I'm going to draw a curved line across in the middle point right here. Above that pouch, I'm going to draw a curved line upwards to her belt. On the right side of the pouch at this lower point, I'm going to draw another strap with a curved line across to the inner line of her legs and another one below that. a line downwards at the ending point on the right. In the middle point of her pants, I'm gonna draw a curved line across right there. Off center on the left side of that curved line, I'm gonna draw the inner line of her legs with a curved line to the strap right there. Continue that line below the strap and slightly inwards towards her knee point. And for the outer line of her legs, I'm gonna draw a similar curved line and slightly inwards towards her knee point. Below the knee point, I'm gonna draw another curved line, flare it slightly out and turn it back inwards towards her ankle point. Copy the same curved line at the inner corner on the right here. On her lower leg, I'm gonna draw a curved line across at that corner and another one above it. Now for her shoe, I'm gonna draw a curved line from the left corner upwards, semicircular turn to the right, semicircular turn back downwards. Below that, at the inner corner, I'm gonna draw a line upwards, sideways to the left, semicircular turn back downwards, flare it slightly out, semicircular turn at that corner to the right. Mirror that same shape again at the inner corner on the right here. Curved line across at that middle point. Inside of the shoe, in the middle, I'm gonna draw some crisscross knots right there. And below that, a curved line downwards at the side, semicircular turn, curved line across to the right, semicircular turn back upwards on the right side. For the base of the shoe, I'm gonna draw a line downwards on both sides, curved line across at that lower point. Now I'm gonna copy the same shape of the legs on the right side right here without the pouch and the straps. And on her knee on the right, I'm gonna draw a knee pad with an arch curved line across, semicircular turn at the sides and turn it downwards, semicircular turn at that lower point, curved line across and semicircular turn back upwards on the right side. Inside of that, I'm gonna draw a line across at this lower point and at the upper corner at the side a line inwards. Trace the same outline above the knee pad at this inner corner and at the side on the right, turn it sideways to the right. In the middle point of that, I'm going to draw a tilted rectangular shape on the top left corner. Mirror that same shape on the right corner, and I'm going to mirror the same set of rectangular shape at this lower point as well. And below the knee pad, I'm gonna copy the same shape of the legs, similar to the left leg. Now going back upwards, I'm gonna draw her left arm with a line downwards at the outer corner, curved line across at the elbow point, and turn it back upwards for the inner line of the arm. Below that, at the side, curved line downwards on both the left and right, curved line across at that corner. Below that, I'm gonna continue the line of her arms downwards with curved line, flare it slightly out and back inwards towards her glove, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the inner line, and at the ending point below I'm gonna draw a curved line across, copy the same curved line again at this lower point, a line downwards on both the left and right side. Below that, a curved line downwards at the inner corner, and at the outer corner a curved line downwards. Extend it all the way to the tip of her finger. Turn it diagonally to the right and downwards. Semicircle turn back diagonally up. Turn it upwards. And for her thumb at that corner, a curved line downwards. Semicircle turn back upwards. At the tip of the thumb, curved line upwards to the side of her palm. Copy the same shape of the fingers at this inner corner on the right here. And across each fingers and thumb, I'm gonna draw a curved line across. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the arm on the right side right here. That's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!